Is your phone slow even with good hardware? Apps freezing or draining battery? Let's fix it with powerful performance hacks today. Hack 2. Disable background app refresh. Unnecessary syncing eats battery and slows performance. Turn it off for non-essential apps. Hack 3. Always keep apps updated. New versions fix bugs, speed up processes, and add security patches. Hack 4. Use Lite versions of heavy apps. Facebook Lite, Instagram Lite, and Gale Go perform faster on any device. Hack 5. Restrict background data and battery use. You'll notice smoother app usage and longer battery life. Hack 6. Reduce system animations. It makes app launching feel instant even on older phones. Hack 7. Free up storage. When your phone is near full, apps crash more often and slow down. Bonus hack: run regular security scans. Hidden malware silently eats resources, slowing down even strong phones. Supercharge your apps, boost your phone, and feel the speed. Subscribe now to Rapid Tech Bytes for more smart mobile tech tricks.